Hi, I'm Tom Morrison, and just gotten completion here with Upstate Crawlspace Repair. These guys have been working hard and a lot. Have a big crawl space, and really appreciate the job they've done. It's been a great job, and just got out myself after putting some lights down there. Nice and white now, beautiful. Heard about Upstate Crawlspace Repair from Jonathan Brooks of Brooks Exteriors. He trained with Justin, and then I guess Jonathan decided he didn't want to be in crawl spaces anymore. So they're doing siding and windows. Upstate Crawlspace Repair. Good stuff.